Alright, today we'll be unboxing the Blue Heron Wi-Fi FPV drone. It is the U49W with a camera, 720p. And so I'm going to unbox this. This is why it's not fair being a man. I don't have fingernails. And I'm trying to get the tape off. But if I get okay, got it. Alright. Pop this on the tab. And comes in a nice plastic tray. Oh wow. That is nice. I like the blue propellers. My favorite color is blue. That's really awesome. Take that off. And okay, this is a 2 pieces. And it's got a little sticker. Let's see. I'm old. I can't read. All right. So that's the propeller unit. And we drop it on the floor. No, it's fine. See, it can take abuse. And I guess you pull this off. Like so. And, oh, the remote. Let's set this over here in the tray. The remote comes with a card that tells you how to control it, which is very handy. It says, please download the user manual for trimmer instructions. Okay. Has an out of range alarm. Has a very nice remote. The remote's huge. I like the fact that it's big because it can be held in your hand rather easily. On the bottom. You see, it's a good size remote. It's got antennas that swivel. Okay. Well, they don't really swivel, but that's okay. That's good. And little thing that says pull. Okay. Oh, it's got a holder for your phone. Very nice. I like that. So you hook your phone to it. I have a phone right here, and it will sit between the remote antennas. It comes with extra propellers. That's good because you know they're going to get damaged over time. And battery pack. And I'm going to have to, of course, read all the instructions. Are the instructions in the bottom? Should be more instructions over there. It does have a manual. It has a manual. And so that's going to be, it's chock full of different things. So that's the unboxing, and hopefully we'll be able to make videos with this thing and in a future video show you what we can do with it.